If you're between 13 and 25 years old, this video might just change your life. Right now, at this age, we all make mistakes that feel completely normal, but years later, these same small mistakes become our biggest regrets. Things like constantly procrastinating, living for other people's opinions, staying trapped in our comfort zone, ignoring our health, and never taking any real risks. Slowly, these habits quietly push us toward a completely average life. In this video, I'm breaking down the 12 biggest mistakes most young people make without even realizing it, mistakes that are silently destroying their future. The first mistake is waiting for the perfect time. You keep telling yourself, I'll start when my mood is right, when exams are over, when my parents understand. But bro, that perfect time never comes. Months and years just disappear while you wait. Solution? Kill the idea of the perfect time starting today. Commit to just 10 minutes every single day. The moment you wake up, even while lying in bed, open a free coding app or watch a short skill-building video. Just 10 minutes. This tiny habit trains your brain to take action instead of waiting forever. Second mistake, getting trapped in procrastination. You push everything to tomorrow, studying, gym, learning new skills, even New Year's resolutions. But tomorrow never actually comes. Solution: use the 5-second rule. The moment an idea or task comes to your mind, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and take immediate action. Don't try to finish it all, just commit to doing it for 2 minutes. Once you start, momentum usually takes over. Third mistake, living for other people's opinions. The moment you get serious about something and tell your parents or relatives, they laugh and say, focus on studies first, this isn't for you, and you get demotivated and quit. Solution: strengthen your inner voice. Every night, write in a notebook, what is my dream and what did I do for it today? When someone gives their opinion, listen politely, but remind yourself, this is my life, my decision. Spend 5 minutes alone every day thinking about what you truly want. Fourth mistake, staying stuck in your comfort zone. Lying in bed with AC on, playing games all day feels good right now, but deep down you know it's slowly killing your potential. Solution: do one uncomfortable thing every single day. Take a cold face wash, do 10 push-ups, or go for a 15-minute walk. It'll feel difficult for the first week, but after 21 days, it becomes your new normal. You'll be shocked at how much better you become. Fifth mistake, ignoring your physical health. Endless scrolling ruins your posture and eyes. Junk food makes you feel weak and lazy. Solution: make your body a priority. Every morning, do a 10-minute walk or simple workout. Drink at least 3 liters of water daily. Replace one junk meal with something healthy. Try it for just 7 days. You'll feel the energy and confidence explode. Sixth mistake, wasting hours on mindless scrolling and gaming. Reels, chats, memes, and games eat up 6 to 8 hours every day. That's almost 3 months of your life wasted every single year. Solution: set strict screen time limits. Maximum 90 minutes a day for social media and gaming. Replace the rest with skill-building content on YouTube, coding, graphic design, content creation. Stop just consuming, start creating. Seventh mistake, quitting when you don't see quick results. You work out for a few days, see no change in the mirror, and give up. Solution: stop chasing results. Track your effort instead. Every night, write down exactly what you did. Review it weekly. If you stay consistent, in 6 months, you won't recognize yourself. Eighth mistake, chasing short-term dopamine hits. Scrolling, junk food, late-night gaming, instant pleasure, but zero future rewards. Solution: before doing anything, ask yourself, will this help me in the long term? If not, drop it. Choose long-term wins over temporary fun. Ninth mistake, comparing yourself to others. Seeing influencers with perfect lives makes you feel like a loser. Solution: mute or unfollow accounts that make you feel bad. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday. Celebrate small wins and tell yourself, I'm 1% better than yesterday. 10th mistake, running away from hard learning. You try to learn coding, but when it gets difficult, you quit. Solution: embrace hard things. Break them into tiny steps. The harder the work, the bigger the reward. 11th mistake, not knowing how to say no. Friends call you for games or hangouts, and you always say yes, then regret wasting your time. Solution? Practice saying no. Set clear boundaries. Protect your time like it's your most valuable asset. 12th and most dangerous mistake? Self-doubt. One small failure and your mind says, "You're not good enough." Solution? Start a win journal. Every night, write down 3 small wins. Read them every morning. Remind yourself daily, "I am capable and I am improving." Bro, these 12 mistakes are what you're probably repeating right now, but now you know exactly how to fix them. You're still young. You have time, but time only matters if you start today. If this video lit a fire inside you, put the phone down right now and take one small action. Just 5 minutes of something that makes you better. You've got this. I believe in you 100%. Start tonight. Tomorrow morning, take that first step. Because if you change now, one day you'll look in the mirror and say, "I saved my own life."